Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a cryptocurrency marketplace with Rarible easy tutorial step by step clearly. To build a cryptocurrency marketplace with Rarible, start by visiting the Rarible website. Click on the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner. Choose your preferred cryptocurrency wallet from the list of supported wallets. Follow the prompts to connect your wallet securely to Rarible. Once your wallet is connected, explore the platform's features. Familiarize yourself with the user interface to understand how to navigate. Locate the Create button to begin setting up your marketplace. Select whether you want to create a single NFT or multiple NFTs. For a single NFT, upload the digital file you wish to tokenize. Fill in the necessary details like name, description, and properties. Adjust the pricing options according to your marketplace strategy. For multiple NFTs, utilize the batch creation feature provided. After uploading, review your listings to ensure everything is correct. Once satisfied, click on the Create button to finalize your listings. Pay the gas fees required for the transaction to go through. Once complete, your NFTs will be live on the Rarible marketplace. You can promote your marketplace by sharing links on social media. Monitor your listings to track sales and customer interactions. Consider participating in community events to increase visibility. Regularly update your marketplace to keep it engaging for users. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.